Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel or welcome if you are new here. I am Pooja. I make beauty and makeup related stuffs on my channel. So if you are interested in all these fun stuffs, do consider subscribing to my channel. And for today's makeup look, I have done this bright, beautiful summer makeup look. So if you are interested, keep on watching. For the eye makeup, I will be using the Fashion Factory 45 eyeshadow palette. It has some beautiful bright colors. I will be starting with the bright blue color and patting it on the outer edge of my eyes using a blending brush. Make sure you pat the color first and then blend it because you will get maximum pigmentation with this technique. Next, I'm gonna take this dark blue color from the palette and putting it on the outer edge to give the eyes some depth, and I'm using the same blending brush because both of the colors will blend together. Then I'm going in with the same blue color that I've used earlier so that the colors blend together. Next, for the inner part of the eyes, I will be using this bright orange terracotta shade and I am patting it on the inner part using a flat brush. Make sure that you are patting the shade first and then you are blending it, as this shade is quite chalky, so it needs a little bit of work before you blend it. Then using the red pinkish shade from the palette, and I am taking the same brush and I am blending it with the orange shade. Make sure that you are blending it only on the outer edge and not on the inner edge, as I want the orange to be there on the lid. These two shades is an excellent combination as it gives a very subtle smoked out look which looks very beautiful on the lid. Next, to intensify the orange shade, I am taking the same shade and I am patting it on top. I'm gonna go with this shimmery shade and I'm gonna put it on the hollow section that I have left earlier. Next, I'm gonna go with this golden shade from the same palette and putting it on top of the shimmer shade to intensify the shade a little more. I'm going in with the same orange and blue shade that I've used earlier and blending it with the shimmery shade so that everything blends seamlessly and there is no harsh line. That's all for the upper lid. Now I'm gonna move on to the lower lash line, and for that I'm using two pink shades from the same palette and I will be patting the colors on the lower lash line, and make sure that you are patting the colors and not blending it in the very first step. This is how you will get maximum pigmentation and the colors will be locked on the skin. To tie the look all together, I will be using this bright shimmery orange shade and I am using it as an inner corner highlight. That's all for the eye makeup. Now I'm gonna quickly pop on some falsies and I will be applying a mascara to lock the falsies on the eyes. For the lips, I'm gonna take this bright orange shade from Nykaa, and this is in the shade Head Over Heels. I'm gonna line my lips using this lip liner, and then I'm gonna fill my lips using the same liner. To fill my lips, I'm gonna take this Sugar Cosmetics Much May Not liquid lipstick in the shade Dawn Fawn. This is a very beautiful terracotta shade. Ultimately, I will be taking this Blue Heavens matte lip color in the shade 11, and I will be putting it on all over the lips, concentrating on the center so that the lips look even more plumper. Next, I'm gonna use the same shade on back of my hands, and I will be using it as a blush. This is a very subtle color, so it will give a very subtle, beautiful flush of color on the cheeks. To highlight the face, I'm gonna use the Miss Claire Illuminator. So this illuminator dries out pretty fast, so you need to make sure that you are blending it immediately after applying it. And that's it for the makeup look. I really love this bright, fresh, festive look, and I really hope that you like it too. I intentionally did the base makeup before because I wanted to concentrate on the eyes today. And if you like this one, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come up with a new video. You can always follow me on Instagram as I'm totally active there, and the pictures of this look will be up on my Instagram, so don't forget to follow me there. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay positive. I will see you guys on my next one.